Namaskara, Yashaswi Vaani YouTube channel ke swagata. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Vaani YouTube channel, and this is a spoken Kannada lesson. I hope you are already following all the lessons that we are doing in Yashaswi Vaani, especially for the spoken Kannada. And this series is mostly for the beginners, but intermediate learners you can also observe these lessons, which is completely fine. So today we are going to learn few more predefined the standard sentences, which will go with the questioning structures. So first one is, we all know that how do I say I know in Kannada. So I know is nan gottu. Nan gottu. I know. So if you want to say I don't know, so that will become nang gottilla. So nang is nothing but nange. It's nothing but nange. Nange gottilla. You can also say nange gottilla. If you want to ask, don't you know or do you know? First we'll go, do you know? So that will be nimge. So with nimge is with respect. Nimge gotta. Or it can be nimug gotta. Nimug gotta. Do you know? Nimug gotta. So don't you know? Nimug gottilva. Nimug gottilva. And I'm not writing in Kannada. English il baritilla. So please make a note of English sentences also. Okay. So first one is nanagottu, I know. Nanage gottilla, I don't know. Nimug gotta, do you know? Nimug gottilva, don't you know? Okay, so all these I am teaching in the respected version itself. Okay, next I want to ask, does he know? Does he know? So avanu gotta. Avanige is nothing but avanu gotta. Avange, or I can also say avanu gotta, avange. Avange gotta. So if it is a female, avalige. Avalige gotta. If it's with respect, avarge gotta. Avarge matter gotta. Does they know this matter? Avarge matter gotta. Avarge picture gotta. Avarge address gotta. Do they know the address? Okay. So next one is, don't they know? Avarge address gottilva. Don't they know the address? So avarge address gottilva. The same thing. Whatever I have learned till here, I am applying the same thing for the he and she. Ashte. So, avange or avalge. La has to touch upper part of your mouth. Avarge. Address gottilva. Don't they know the address? Avarge address gottilva. Avange address gotta. Does he know the address? Okay. Next one. Does he know your problem? ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? or ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ದೇ ನೋ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಡಸಂಟ್ ಹಿ ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Okay, so that's how we translate these kind of sentences. Try these sentences with he, she, with respect most importantly, which is very simple. First try to understand the meaning of gottu, gottilla, gotta, gottilva. Okay, gottu ke question form is a gotta. No, do you know? Don't know is gottilla. Don't you know is gottilva. So if you observe and if you understand these four words, the rest all will become very easy for you. Ashte. Okay, so here I will stop the today's lesson. I hope you will understand. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section. And please follow all the lessons is been updated in the playlist. The playlist link is in the description box. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.